The Legal Studies Academy at First Colonial High School focuses on preparing students to be critical thinkers who make evidence-based decisions. In particular, the science coursework within the Academy trains students to gather evidence from multiple sources and draw sound, logical conclusions. Students typically begin with biology in their first year. In LSA Biology, students learn fundamental technical skills and science practices, such as operating a microscope and distinguishing observations from inferences. While covering the Virginia standards for biology, legal applications are highlighted by studying environmental law, debating ethics of cloning and genetic engineering, hearing from career experts in the field of trace evidence, and researching how the Innocence Project uses DNA to exonerate those who are wrongly convicted. In LSA Chemistry, science is treated not as a noun, but as a verb. Students devise experiments and construct knowledge of the world around them. They use evidence of what they can see to discern information about what they cannot see. Using techniques of modeling instruction and the claim evidence reasoning framework, students gather evidence to create a sub-microscopic model of matter. As more evidence is amassed, they revise and recreate their model. In doing so, they take a 2,000-year journey of scientific discovery and walk in the footprints of some of the most famous names in science. Forensic science is the capstone course in the LSA science curriculum. With biology and chemistry knowledge in their toolkit, students directly apply their scientific skills and understandings to the specific field of forensic evidence. Among the units of study are toxicology, trace evidence, serology, fingerprints, ballistics, and crime scene investigation. Students can also expect to interact with professionals in the field, including forensic nurses, police officers, drug detection dogs, and a visit to the cadaver lab for instruction from forensic anthropologists. In addition to the science coursework within the Academy, students are able to take AP Science courses, including AP Biology, AP Chemistry, AP Environmental Science, and AP Physics 1 and 2. By the end of their 4 years in the Legal Studies Academy, our students are well-versed in cooperative group work, gathering evidence, making evidence-based claims and arguments, and using logical reasoning to support their conclusions.